Hello everyone, this is a simple tutorial showing you how to make a simple timer with Xcode iOS 8. And here's a project that I already set up. And let's go to the storyboard. There are basically 4 different labels, 1 quotation mark, and here's milliseconds, and seconds, and minutes. And also I have 3 buttons set up, start, stop, and clear. It doesn't really matter how you set up those, but it is very important to have 4 different labels and 3 different buttons. And let's go to viewcontroller1.h. As you can see, I have different labels set up and all connected. And also I declare a timer. And here's some useless code about iAdd. I'm not using iAdd in this case, so I'm just going to get rid of that line. Alright, so as you can see, when I put my mouse over the little circle, the button is going to be highlighted. And let's go to viewcontroller.m, and I'm going to go through the code little by little. First, I set up a timer that has an interval of 0.01 seconds, which is 1 milliseconds, and it's going to repeat whatever function that is, which is timer count. I'm going to repeat timer count every 0.01 seconds, and it has the target is to self and repeat that. In timer count, I set up count number, and I say count number plus 1, and I'm just going to get rid of the useless integers. So I have 3 integers all set up. One is count number, one is count number 2, and count number 3. So in timer count, I'm going to say every 0.01 seconds, count number is going to plus 1, and I'm going to display that number. And if count number equals to 100, which is basically 100 milliseconds, then it's equal to 1 second. Then I'm going to say timer count number 2, which is second plus 1, and also set the milliseconds back to 0. And then when it counts up to 60 seconds, and also set the seconds and back to 0 again. So basically, it's going to repeat that every 0.01 seconds, and that's the counting process. And let's go to stop. When I hit stop, the timer is going to get invalidated, and which is very simple, 1 line. And then restart. In restart, I'm just going to simply set everything back to 0 and then display the 0 label. And that's basically it. And that's how you create a very accurate but also very simple timer. And let's run the program. And there should be no error. Open the simulator. And when I hit start, the timer starts counting up. You can see the milliseconds. It's going really fast. No problems at all. When I hit stop, the timer stops. And when I hit clear, everything clears. So that's it. I'll put the link of the project below in the description, and if you have any questions about this project, please leave a reply. Thanks for watching. See you next time.